Morning to all of you and a very happy Diwali. This is Abhijit here, and like every year, I'll be sharing my Diwali picks, or rather say our Muhurat picks. And also, before we proceed, I would like to take a moment to wish you all a very happy New Year. May you be very profitable in the coming year. I can understand the past year has been very tough. So hopefully the next year and is very good. And as far as the charts are concerned, when I am looking at the charts, I can say that next year could be a good year for the equity market. And it's very tough to find out good picks every year. I try to find out good picks and share with all of you. I try to give my best. Sometimes I might fail, sometimes I might succeed, but again, because it's market and nothing is in my hand, I'll try to give my best. So let us try and review right from starting how our Mahurat picks have performed over the years. So we'll start from the absolute bottom. We started to share our Mahurat picks in the year of 2019. In 2019, we shared only two Mahurat picks, and the first one was ICICI Securities, and it was shared at around the level of 315. So all of you can see we had shared at the level of around 315. This was the level where we had shared here, October 315, this level, right? And we had given a target of around 500 rupees in this. The and over the years, I have already told this is a good company. This is a company with good fundamentals. And if you see and if you ask me what is the chart structure right now, it looks very good, very promising. If you ask me, even fresh entries can be done in this. This is just amazing. This looks set for new highs. So the verdict: this has been a winner throughout. It's a real multi-bagger. We are already up three times, and it looks set for even more. Maybe this part, since 2021, we have been under a consolidation period. 2021 till date, it's like a 4 years consolidation period. But now it looks set for fresh lifetime highs. So once again, but as we say, I don't want to repeat my Mahurat picks, so it couldn't make up to the fresh Mahurat list. Next one is Naveen Fluorine, and this has been a big winner. If you see, this was recommended at 780 levels. So this was the level where we had suggested 780. You can see this, and from 780, it is now at 551. So it is like, and every year I have been telling that this can be held on for more, and now it once again looks set for fresh lifetime high. It has been under a consolidation of again 3-4 years. So I feel that this can be another big multi-bagger. So 2019, two Mahurat picks, both of them went on to become big multi-baggers. So 2019 Mahurat picks were good. Now let's come to 2020. Our first pick was Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors, this was suggested at the level of 2500. This was the point. Let us see, 2100. So, sorry, 2500. My bad. So this was suggested at this level of 2500. You can see, and from 2500, it is now continuously rising, and it has reached up to a level of 7000. So it has almost become three times again, and during this period it has given dividend also. So kind of 150 rupees in dividend also. So absolute three times, good one, can still hold. Then Tata Steel LLP. Let us see. I think this has been yeah, this has been delisted, and this was merged with Tata Steel. So, and yeah, it was given at 500 rupees, so 750 has been completed. Then comes Advanced Enzyme. Advanced Enzyme Technologies. This was suggested in the year of 2021, and 2021 it was suggested at 350 levels. So this was the level, October November 2021, and yeah, it did not perform very well at that point of time. We saw some correction, but eventually it did complete the target in like a couple of years. So as of now, if you ask me, yeah, this does not look good anymore. So we should not be in this. Although, so we can call it an average performer and not a very good one. Then comes Sunflag Iron. Sunflag Iron was shared at 52 rupees. This was the point where we had shared 52 rupees somewhere here. Uh, and from 52 rupees it has gone on to 315 rupees. So 52 rupees to 315 rupees, good again. So it's kind of like 300% return. Okay, and then comes another one, Tirumalai Chemicals. So let us see Tirumalai Chemicals. It was suggested at 87 rupees here, at this point somewhere here, 87, 88 rupees, and then it has gone on to a high of 390 rupees almost. So let us check that whether it gave some stock split or not. I don't think so. So 87 rupees, this was the point from where we had entered, right? Sorry, it was the year 2020. So 2020 comes here. So this was the level 87 rupees where we had asked to enter, and from 87 rupees immediately to a high of 350 or 400 rupees. So we have another winner. So it's like out of the 5, 4 have gone on to becomes multi-baggers. If you ask me the current status, you can still stay into this, keep holding, although partially you should have booked some profit. Then we come to the year 2021. The first stock that we need to review is Khadims. We gave at around 2021. We gave at around 300 rupees, and from 300 rupees it came down to 182 rupees. So it was a failure for us, although it did not, it gave an exit, it gave it, but only after hitting the stop loss. So the verdict is this was not good. Then comes TVS Electronics. Let's see, TVS Electronics, another gem from our portfolio. It was suggested at around 170 rupees. So this is the point, 170 rupees. From 170 rupees, this has been in a constant uptrend. It has gone on to a high of 690. So another winner, 4-5 times growth, you can easily see here. So next, Finolex cables. This was suggested at 480 rupees. So the day when we suggested at 480 rupees, this was the time, 2022. From 480 it went on to 1700. So a super winner, a multi-bagger. It could have been booked at that point of time, maybe somewhere even around 1500, 3 times. So a big winner. Next one, we come to Lemon Tree. So Lemon Tree, the chart is still amazing. You can still stay into this, and this was suggested at 55 rupees levels here, somewhere at this point, 55 rupees here. So 55 rupees to 180 rupees, again 300%. So another super one. And then comes Kolte Patil. it was suggested at 320 rupees, around this level, this 320 rupees. It did consolidate for some time, and then our target that we had shared was 400 rupees, but it overshot its target, went on to 560 rupees. So another good winner. Then comes Sun TV. Sun TV was shared at the price of 590 rupees, somewhere here, around this 590 rupees, but it did not perform very well. At immediately it went down. It went down by some good 30-40%, but after that it went on to 900 rupees and completed its target. So yeah, a mediocre performer. And then comes the darling of all of you, which is Maruti. It was suggested at 7700 rupees, and from 7700 rupees it has gone on to become one of the biggest winners. It has gone double. So when a stock like Maruti doubles, it's something incredible, because it's already a very big company, and when a stock like this doubles, it's like a big value creator. So the verdict, it's except Khadim, almost all of them performed. Then come to the year like 2022, the stock which we shared was DB Corp. DB Corp was shared at 115 rupees 2022. 115 rupees here at this point, somewhere here, this. So 115 rupees to 400 rupees. Target given was 200 rupees. It doubled over its target, a multi-bagger, so this also worked. Then comes Apollo Microsystem. So guys, I think you might have got a clear picture as why people look up to us for our Mahurat picks, because this has always been a big winner. So this was suggested at 290 rupees. So we had some stock split here. It was like 1:10. So we will be looking at something like this level, and we have had a couple of stock splits, I guess, because we'll have to see. October of 2022, it was trading at this level, 18 rupees. So from October till now, this stock has gone up and created high of 340 rupees, which is 20 times. I will repeat this. This has gone up by 20 times. So what does this mean? So that means that if I have given 6 or 7 stocks, and this one stock, if you would have kept, imagine if you would have invested something like 1 lakh rupees in all the 7 stocks, this stock alone would be standing at 20 lakh rupees now. So even if all other stocks go to zero, which has obviously not happened, even the previous stock went up by 4 times. So this has been a great winner. Then comes Castrol India. Castrol India was shared at 110 rupees here, somewhere around this level, 110. October 110, and from 110 it went on to 280. Target that we had shared was 200. So another big winner 3 times. And then comes Arvind Fashion. You can clearly verify with the date in our Telegram channel. Arvind Fashion was shared at 330 rupees in 2022. It went into some consolidation here, 330 rupees. After a decent consolidation, target that we had shared was 600 rupees. It went on and it did complete the 600 rupees target. So again, another winner. This is 2x. And so, and then we come to the next stock, which is Mahindra CIE. So Mahindra CIE, I guess this stock has got delisted or maybe merged with some other entity, so maybe we'll see. Next stock, HPL Electric. Many had talked about this stock, sir. How did you come to this? So this was suggested at level of 85 rupees. This was the level, if you see, a clear level of 85 rupees, and from 85 rupees it went on to 690. So the year 2022 Mahurat picks till now have been the best one. So this went on to something like 6 or 7 times, maybe more than that. Yeah, so let us take as 7x. And then comes, many are talking about PSUs right now. This we had given at a level of 1550. This was the level that we had given, 1550. So from 1550 to 5300. So we'll take it the conservative way. It has gone 3 times. So 2022, 7 stocks shared, except for one for which we do not have the result. We have one 4 times, one 20 times, one 3 times, one 2 times, one 7 times, and one 3 times. And BEML still looking good and still ready for more. Then comes the year 2023, network 18. We had recommended at the level of, we had level 75 rupees. So this was the level where we had mentioned, and it went, targets we had given 150 rupees, did not complete the target 150, but still went on to 135. We'll take this as a winner. Then comes the stock Subros we had shared at 400 rupees. So this was the time where we had shared at 400 rupees here, and from 400 rupees it has gone to 1200 rupees. Target we had given was 600 rupees. Verdict, you can still hold this. It's already up 3 times. It's still good. Next stock, Aptus Value. Let's see. Value Housing Finance. So bad performer, 300 recommended. Verdict, failure, exit. Next one, GMR Power. So failures are quite less, if you can see here. GMR Power, recommended level 35 rupees. 35 rupees, November of 2023. Here we had recommended. From 35, the high it created was 169. That's a good 5 times return. Then comes Reliance Infra. This was a quick performer actually. The moment we had entered, it performed immediately, and then we exited temporarily. If you remember, it was like somewhere here, August, September, October, or November, we had entered here 175. 450 were the targets given, but from 175, within a couple of months it went on to, couple or 3 or 4 months, it went to 300, and we had clearly asked this to book. So we'll again take this as a winner. Then the next one, which was Centrum Capital. Centrum Capital we had given at 27 rupees. This was the level where we had given somewhere here 27. Targets which we had given 65, it went on to 45. So 27 to 65, we will take this as an average performer. Verdict, okay, average, not very good. So 2023, we have 2 big winners, 2 mediocre, or rather say 3 average, and then we had 1 blue chip pick at that time, which was Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance was shared before split. So if we talk the adjusted rate, it was 700 rupees, 700 to 1080, and it has just started to move. And targets which have been given at around 12,000 rupees, it's still going good. It will go good. Verdict is kind of 1 failure, which we came out at cost. Aptus Value 300 entry. If you still have it, exit. Other than that, we have 2 average, or rather say 3 average, and 2 decent performance. Then comes 2024, the toughest of the lot. Last year has been the toughest one. So Campus, which was suggested at 290 rupees. It's still holding at those levels, 284, 290. I can spot a reversal here. 600 was the target given, but 600 it did not come. It came to 360, 370, and after that it started to correct. And if you ask me, you can still hold this. Our biggest winner of last year, Megasoft, suggested at 68 rupees, and from 68 rupees it went on to 171, so a clear 2.5 times. Then comes car trade. Let us see how this has performed. It was suggested at 1000 rupees here, August, September, October here. It was suggested at 1000 rupees here, and from 1000 it has gone on to 277. So it's another almost 2.7 times, 2.7x. Then the stock which came next is Rushil Decor. Rushil Decor suggested at 36 rupees. Very bad performer, failure. So I would suggest you should exit from this if you are still holding this. Then Clean Science and Technology. Clean Science, another failure. So a rare one. We had two failures, one non-performer. It's at cost. You can exit. You can switch to better ones. And then the one which was suggested was India Cement again. So despite not a very good year, despite tough year for equity market, we have two stocks which became something like 2.5 or 2.7 times. So the overall return, if you calculate here, we have got something like 35 to 40% last year in equity, which is still good compared to Nifty. If you see, Nifty if has performed from last year, from October it went down from 26,000 to 22,000. So Nifty went down by 20%, while we gave a return of 35 to 40%. In fact, even right now, if you consider, Nifty is nearly 10% down. So comparatively, we have performed quite good. So this is it, guys, for the Muhurat pick. And this year has been also been tough, but still I have tried to give my best. So let's see, and we'll meet again next year for this, for a review whether we have performed good or not. So guys, happy investing. Have a great new year ahead.